What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we're going to be going over our weather forecast for the United States over the next few weeks or so. So let's get into it. I'm a little bit sick today, so if you notice a difference in my voice, it's because I'm a little bit sick. So let's get into it. So, firstly, we have a hurricane continuing in the Atlantic Ocean. This is called Hurricane Melissa. And it devastated Cuba today, eastern Cuba, and destroyed Jamaica yesterday. And I think it hit Cuba today. And it's a very strong hurricane still. I mean, it's a Category 2. It's still pretty strong though, with winds up to 98 miles per hour. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on right now. And right here is where the hurricane is at. Right here, that's the hurricane. It's going to move up and possibly impact the Bahamas. Then after that, it could possibly impact Bermuda as it moves, begins this northern track. Then it will just go really high up into the Atlantic Ocean. So this is the future radar. Watch this storm down here, and this is where it's likely to go on the future radar. So this is the future radar, what it's looking like. So, if we get down here to Bermuda, this is the impacts on Bermuda. This is like we're going to have the biggest impacts on Bermuda, but this is like that could be affected pretty bad by this hurricane. So if you're in Bermuda, you need to get ready, as well as if you're in the Bahamas. This hurricane's going to go over through that area too. It caused a lot of flooding in Jamaica and Cuba. So yeah. That's what's going on with Melissa. We have a lot of rain in the United States in this area. That's supposed to move out of here pretty soon. It looks like it will probably go up here. So let's check out the future radar for that. That's what we're expecting for the future radar. So around October 30th, we're going to be getting some rain within this area on October 30th. You can see the time at the top of my screen. And as we go more into the future, to October 31st, it's going to be pretty rainy within this area on Florida. So it'll be a rainy Halloween within this circle, most likely. Not everywhere in this circle is going to be experiencing rain, but most of the people that are in that circle are going to be experiencing rain on Halloween. We also got a storm coming down from over here. It's supposed to move out of here pretty quickly soon here, so don't have to worry about that. We got a marginal risk today down here in eastern North Carolina and eastern Virginia, where we are expecting possibly a water spout, and water spouts can go on land and cause a tornado. So this is what our future radar is looking like right now. A few strong storms will also be a possibility. There is a chance I might go on a live stream tonight. It's a lower chance, but it's still a possibility. So yeah, that's what the future radar is looking at for today in that area. And for tomorrow, we have another marginal risk after that risk, where we are also expecting possibly a tornado and maybe some water spouts again. So that's what we're expecting, and all of this rain will move out of here pretty soon. So yeah, that's what we're expecting with the future radar for the United States. We have some cold air coming down from Canada. It's going to be impacting the eastern United States within this area. It's actually going to be feeling pretty cold in this area. 50s might actually be winter weather. So it's probably going to be pretty annoying if you're on the East Coast, as you guys are going to be experiencing some pretty cold weather because of Canada's cold blast. Yes, we do have a cold front moving through this area that's supposed to get out of here pretty soon, but it's going to be causing a lot of coldness in this area. That's what we're expecting. And we got a bunch of wind. We got a wind advisory, red flag warnings, all kinds of stuff going on over here, even freeze warnings. So yeah, and we even have a heat advisory over here in California, and a red flag warning. So we gotta be watching out for that, and a drought down here in Texas. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching Electric Tornado. I'll keep you guys updated on the weather, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.